That is just large. And it's springtime, so it's that time of year where we can monitor these storms, and if one pops up, it can turn severe so fast.
And we're expecting a few storms coming up, right?
Yeah, tomorrow there's a possibility between the late morning hours and the afternoon that some of these isolated storms do go severe. Now that's the key word, isolated. We're not expecting widespread rain, but we'll have to watch these storms out west and how they move farther east across South Texas and if they become severe. Outside right now, though, it's quiet and it's cloudy and it's mostly dry. Temperatures were warm today in the upper 80s and near 90 in San Antonio. The overnight forecast, we stay pretty warm, not cool whatsoever. And also the southeast winds are pouring in more humidity. So when you wake up tomorrow morning, 5, 6, 7 a.m. to get back to work, back to wherever you're going, it's going to be warm, 74 to 75, and even some morning drizzle is likely on top of that. Some patchy to dense fog is certainly the case and kind of the pattern that's in place right now. A very cloudy start to the week is up ahead and also very gloomy and gray, and some of that will produce rain. Now, radar, it is dry here in the city. There is some action farther east towards Louisiana, and notice on the backside of this system that's moving farther east, some additional development out near Conroe, north of Houston, up I-45 between there and Dallas, and even additional activity near I-35. So that's why the forecast is a little volatile right now, because through tomorrow morning and tomorrow afternoon, we'll see some of that development move farther west and near Rock Springs, Del Rio, and I think some of that will move farther east nearing San Antonio in the late morning and afternoon hours tomorrow. Now outside right now it's 75 degrees. And you saw the overnight forecast. We're not going to cool down by much, maybe 1 to 2 degrees. That's about it. It's humidity that's really soaring in right now from the Gulf of Mexico. 80s down I-35, 84 at Pearsall, 70 in San Marcos, 78 at Hallettsville, and similar numbers across the board. Now, because of this warm setup overnight, we're not going to see much of a cool down, and because of the warmth and humidity, patchy to dense fog is likely tomorrow morning. Here's your Monday forecast. Through about 9, 10, and 11 a.m. on and off rain, and some of these might be some isolated storms. After about 1 p.m., the sunshine comes out, and then another chance at some isolated activity 5, 6, and 7 p.m. tomorrow. Remember, it's springtime, and when you have humidity and daytime heat, it doesn't take much more than a snap of the fingers to get rain going with all the warm air rising. Now, tomorrow's forecast, we're in a level 2 out of 5, a slight risk for some isolated to scattered storms that could go severe. It's not going to be a widespread threat, but watch the timing. Tomorrow morning, 7 a.m., cloudy skies, maybe some drizzle, and also some fog at the surface. Visibility will be reduced. By 9, 10 a.m. tomorrow, there will be a couple of storms scattered between Cotulla, Pearsall, Pleasanton, Rock Springs, and Del Rio, and they'll move farther east. This is just a forecast model, so it's just depicting on what it could look like by about mid-morning through the afternoon hours. And the likelihood of being widespread is less likely. I think, if anything, we'll see scattered rain around the region, and it'll move farther east with another round of some isolated activity by tomorrow evening. And it's all because of the setup. We have so many of these weak disturbances moving overhead. It's going to lead to a daily rain chance all of this week. So here's your 7-day forecast. Tomorrow, it's going to be warm. Lower 90s tomorrow, 91 for a high, even warmer on Tuesday. It's not till the middle of this week, Wednesday night and Thursday, we see a little bit of a cool down, middle 80s Thursday and Friday, but otherwise tomorrow a 40% chance at isolated to scattered rain, and some of those could go strong to severe, producing hail and strong gusty winds. And then by this time next weekend, we slim down the rain chance, but we're still warm, highs in the lower 90s.